8 years ago, we decided to explore the creation of a next-generation razor blade. The last major change to razor blades was over a half-century ago, when stainless steel replaced carbon steel. Since then, it's mainly been adding yet another blade to the razor every decade or so. 2 billion blades go into landfills every year, so our goal was to create something that was much sharper than steel, but more importantly, lasted much, much longer. This is Zafirro, the world's first sapphire blade razor. We've developed pure white sapphire blades with an edge about 80 atoms at the tip, or roughly 5,000 times thinner than the width of a human hair. Sapphire is also much harder than steel, which means the blades last much longer, currently up to a year, with the potential to last several times that long. We're huge fans of design, so it was really important to us not to build the kind of cheap neon or fake chrome handles you see in most bathrooms today. Ideally, we wanted to build something that might be passed down through generations, like a well-made watch. The project got off to a very rough start. We spent more than a year and a half going in entirely the wrong direction, trying to make blades out of an advanced ceramic called zirconia, which amongst other things has been used in very expensive sushi knives. Unfortunately for us, and for my face as a tester, you can't get zirconia sharp enough to make a great razor blade. We went back to the drawing board, and after a couple of months talking to experts around the world, decided to try sapphire. Sapphire is in many ways the perfect material for razor blades because it can be made exceptionally sharp, and it's second only to diamond in terms of hardness, so blades stay sharp. The downside is that sapphire is very expensive. It took us nearly another 3 years to create the first Zafirro razor, and we couldn't find a way to make one affordably. So we decided to embrace the high cost and launch with the most impressive handle we could build, including one version made out of iridium and another made out of gold. Zafirro's launch generated an incredible amount of press, and it was fun to get that kind of exposure for the product, but we knew no matter how much exposure we got, we couldn't have a meaningful impact on the industry until we could get our costs down. That's been our sole focus at Zafirro since launch. Sapphire is used as a component in high-tech products like advanced solar panels, LEDs, and the iPhone 6 has helped drive prices down. We've also found new suppliers and worked with existing suppliers to optimize the manufacturing process. 4 years later, we finally have a path, but we need your help to walk it. Even with the cost improvements, we need high volumes to make this work. Ideally, manufacturing runs in the tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of blades. We need your help to do that. Your support can help us change an industry and allow you to be one of the first people in the world to shave with a beautifully designed sapphire blade razor.